In this video I will show you how you can set up a personalized stream companion using twitchy.ai. Hey Twitchy, how's it going?
Hey streamer, I'm running smoother than a speedrunner on a world record pace. What's popping in the chat today? Rocket.
So, now first we will have to download the application. Go to twitchy.ai, click the downloads, and then download the newest version. Afterwards, go to your download folder and start the application. Click on more info and then click on run anyway. First thing, we will have to add our API keys. I'll copy in the key for OpenAI and the location and API key for Azure Voices. Now let's go to the AI tab and select OpenAI from the services and GPT-4o as the model. GPT-4o is currently the best model and also supports images as input. After that, let's go to the STT tab, the speech to text tab, and set a hotkey. Click on the button and then press a key on your keyboard. While you hold down the hotkey, you will be able to speak to your AI. Check the checkbox so it will remember these settings for the next time. Now let's go to the camera. I will select the OBS virtual camera and start the capture. This will make it possible for the AI to see what is happening on stream. Starting the camera can take a while. We will also have to go over into OBS Studio and start the virtual camera. Now let's give our character some visuals. Open the character tab and click on Open Character Image folder. I have already prepared a couple GIFs that I will copy over into the correct folders. Now we are ready to embed our character in OBS. Let's add a browser source and copy in the link to our character. Also make sure to check these two checkboxes. If the browser source no longer responds, you can just make it invisible and visible again to reload the page. I'll also add a message box so users on stream can see what the bot is saying. Don't forget to select a voice for your bot. Go to the TTS tab and search for a voice. You can click the play icon on the right side to listen to a preview.
Hello, I am Twitchy, your stream companion. I am here to be fun and entertaining.
Then double-click the voice you want to use and you are all set.
Hello, I am Twitchy, your stream companion. I am here to be fun and entertaining.
Now let's test it. Hold down the hotkey you set and say something. Hey Twitchy, introduce yourself.
Twitchy. Hey everyone. I'm Twitchy, your digital hype buddy. I can chat, entertain, and even throw a couple of dad jokes around. Let's make this stream as awesome as a cat with opposable thumbs. Popper and speech balloon, what cool stuff are we diving into today?
Now let me also show you how Twitch integration works. Click the Connect to Twitch button and this should pop up in your browser. Click on Authorize and now it should be connected. You will have to do this every time you start the application. Now let's write something into the chat. Oh, we haven't said anything to trigger an interaction yet. If you are a partner, you can use rewards so that viewers can interact with your bot. But since I'm not, I will just define a keyword.
Twitchy, apologies for the delay. Let's tackle that math. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Party popper, anything else on your mind? Maybe some quick math trivia or a hilarious riddle. Grinning face with smiling eyes, triangular ruler.
Now let's also try to ask something related to what is happening on stream.
Twitchy, hey, looks like we've got a dual view setup going on. On the left, we have the Twitch stream page, currently offline with the send a message text box showing. On the right, seems like we're looking at the interface of an app or a browser window for twitchy.ai, where you're managing my responses in the chat. We've got some great interaction happening there. Ready for me to throw another joke or interesting fact your way? Grinning face with smiling eyes television speech balloon.
As you can see, the bot has the ability to see what is happening on stream. But using images slows it down quite a bit. You can set how high the resolution of the image to use should be in the settings. Lower resolutions are faster but less accurate. If you're streaming in Full HD, then 1500 pixels is a good setting. Thanks for watching. Check out the Discord if you need help or want to request features.